How to enable power saving mode in Samsung M32? First of all, open the settings app on your phone. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down the notification panel and tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on the battery and device care option. This section helps you manage your phone's battery and storage efficiently. After that, tap on battery. Here you'll see detailed information about your battery usage and options to optimize it. Now, look for power saving and tap on it. This mode helps extend your phone's battery life by limiting background activities, reducing performance, and lowering screen brightness. To activate it, simply toggle the switch on at the top. Once enabled, your phone will show a battery icon with a plus sign to indicate that power saving mode is active. And that's it. Now you know how to enable power saving mode in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.